Think about this. Netflix makes billions every single year doing something incredibly simple. They offer the exact same thing every single month. It's entertainment that people can't live without. They get paid every single month, regardless if anyone's watching or not. Now here's the twist. What if you could apply that same model to affiliate marketing? Imagine earning passive income every single day, even while you sleep, by promoting products that people already know and love. That's the power of the passive income blueprint. And believe me, it isn't complicated. It's something that literally anybody can do. But here's a question. Are you ready to learn how to make this new method work for you? If you are, let's dive in and I'll show you how to get started step by step. Hi, my name is Austin Godbolt and I help new YouTubers monetize their YouTube channel from day one, no longer needing the YouTube Partner Program or the YouTube ad revenue to start making money online. Through actionable strategies, real-world examples, and tools tailored for beginners, I'll help you turn your YouTube channel into a thriving business. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. The first step in making money is to choose the right product. Here's how to make sure you're not wasting your time on the wrong one. The first thing you want to choose are evergreen products. And evergreen means products that are going to be around for 10, 15, or 20 years. Evergreen products solve a problem for millions of people every single year. Evergreen products are usually tied to a major pain point that someone is currently going through. For example, when I promoted web hosting software, I helped people start and launch their website. Usually the pain point was tied to them wanting to make money in some way, and so by promoting different web hosting software, it was evergreen, and there was always someone that wanted to learn how to build a website. Another example is when I promoted security cameras. The people that wanted to buy security cameras wanted to make sure that their home or their business was secure, and that's an evergreen problem. There's always going to be crime, there's always going to be loss of property and loss of money. And so by promoting things like security cameras and web hosting, that allows you to have evergreen content and an evergreen product to promote. After you've chosen an evergreen product, the next step is finding a product that has great commission rates. And the way that affiliate marketing works is that you are going to get paid either a set amount or a portion of the overall sale. And if you're being paid a portion of the overall sale, which is usually a percent, you want to find one that is going to pay you a high percent. For example, would you rather promote a product that is $100 and pays you a $40 commission, or would you rather promote $10 products that pay you a $1 commission? The math here really matters. One of the biggest mistakes new affiliate marketers make is they run to the easiest affiliate programs, but oftentimes the easy affiliate programs don't really pay that much. You've got to remember there are over 11,000 affiliate programs out there, and you should be able to find an affiliate program that pays you a high commission rate and has the products or services that you want to promote. In general, you want to be looking for a few things when it comes to commission rate. What's the commission percent versus the average cart value? What's the total amount? Is there flexibility? Will that amount increase or decrease depending on the number of sales that you have? Spend some time identifying the affiliate programs with the best commissions, and then move on to the next step. And the next step is simply researching the credibility of the affiliate program. And this is where a lot of people get stuck. So many people promote a bad product, which often leaves them frustrated, angry, and not making any money. Promoting a bad product can really hurt your reputation, because when people buy stuff, they're buying from you and not necessarily the actual product owner. They're buying stuff based on your recommendations and your suggestions, so it's very important that you find high quality affiliate products and services to promote. There are a few ways that you can go about finding a great product to promote. One easy way is simply to just check the reviews of the product that you are intending to promote. Another way is to look at something called the EPC, or earnings per click. That helps to make an apples to apples comparison between two similar products. You can also look at refund rates, and you can just simply take a look at something called Trustpilot. Now again, it's really important that you find high quality products and services, because you're going to be the face of that product or service and not the actual manufacturer. People are going to come to buy from you because they know, like, and trust you, and not so much from the manufacturer that's actually responsible for the product or service. Now you might be wondering, okay, Alston, I have found the perfect product, but how do I actually get people to buy? And really the secret sauce to getting people to buy is to create great content. And in this next section, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can start creating great content to actually get people to buy. And while content is king, not all content is created equal. You need to create content that grabs attention and turns clicks into cash. And here's how we're going to do it step by step. If you're here on YouTube, the first thing you want to do is identify the questions that people are asking about the product or service that you're recommending. For example, people are going to be asking tons of questions about this Ring indoor security camera, and you're going to simply create content to answer those questions. They might be looking for a review. They might be asking questions about how to connect it to their home network. They might also be looking to compare this Ring doorbell versus some of the competitors. When you create this type of content, you'll actually get in front of people that are aware of the security camera and are in the mode to buy. Another option is to tell stories about the product or service that you decide to recommend. There's nothing more powerful in content creation than telling a story. We as humans connect with each other through story, and so if you can tell a story about how the features of this Ring video doorbell or Ring camera helped solve an ongoing problem, you can increase the chances that someone will buy from you. For example, I first started creating content about security cameras because kids were breaking into houses around my subdivision. And to make sure that people weren't actually breaking into my house when I wasn't home, I went and started doing research about Ring video doorbells. And eventually I bought a Ring video doorbell and turned my knowledge, skills, and experience in Ring video doorbells into creating YouTube videos and blog posts about video doorbells and home security. Now, the key here is to not sell the product or service that you're recommending. Show how the product or service has helped you and others like you solve an immediate and ongoing problem in their life. Another powerful way of turning clicks into buys is by providing testimonials or proof that the product or service works. If you can show screenshots, video testimonials, or any other proof that it actually works, you will increase the chances of someone purchasing the product or service that you're recommending. For example, whenever you go to Amazon to look at a new product or service, you always look at the reviews to see if it's worth your time, to see what real people are saying about the thing you're intending to buy. And creating content as an affiliate marketer is no different. So what you can do to help strengthen your case for why they should buy the product or service that you're recommending is go out and find testimonials that are relevant and relatively current. One of the biggest things you can do to increase the chances of someone clicking and buying is showing versus telling. In the previous section, I talked about telling personal stories, but if you can show that product or service in action and how it's helped tons of people, you can increase the chances that somebody will buy from you. In the final step of creating content that sells, it's all about the call to action. Now, most people won't take an additional step unless you tell them to do so. For example, why do you think YouTubers tell you to like, subscribe, and comment? Because if they didn't give that instruction, most people wouldn't do anything. And affiliate marketing is no different. You want to make sure that you are telling them to click the link in the bio, click the link in the description, or check the current price in the description. And affiliate marketing is no different. You want to instruct your viewers to click the link in the description to learn more, or you can say something as simple as click the link in the description to check the current price over on Amazon. This audio clue tells your viewers what to do, and the chances that they'll do it are much higher than if you say absolutely nothing at all. So now you've got a great product, you're making great content. How do you actually make passive income? And the answer is, it's all about automation. And the beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can run about 90% of it on autopilot. And here's how you can do so that you can free up your time. The first step into automation is actually setting up email funnel. Yes, email marketing is going to be critical to your success for passive income in affiliate marketing. Email marketing is extremely powerful because it is the only direct way that you can get in front of your target audience again and again and again. Here on YouTube and other social media platforms, a lot of your interaction with your fans and viewers is going to be based on the algorithm. And if you aren't in the algorithm's favor, the chances that they'll see your content is pretty low. However, with email marketing, you can send out an email to your audience every single day and it'll get delivered right to their inbox. And the great thing about email marketing is you can set up what's called autoresponder sequences. Inside of the autoresponder sequences, you can include affiliate links to different products or services that you recommend, And the autoresponder sequence can go on for forever. You can just keep adding on to the end of it, thus helping to automate the process. Now, email marketing really consists of 4 parts: a landing page, a lead magnet, a thank you page, and the autoresponder email. A landing page is simply a one-page website that you're going to set up to collect the names and emails of your target audience. Now, you might be wondering, how do I actually collect the names and emails? You achieve this by giving away something for free called a lead magnet. A lead magnet is going to be something that's relevant to your target audience that you're going to give away for free in exchange for their name and their email. What I would recommend is think about planners, cheat sheets, any kind of digital product that you can create quickly for free, but your target audience would still find value. For example, if I were in the security camera niche, I could create a lead magnet with the best places to place your security camera. Another option might be a short mini course on how to install a video doorbell for free. The next thing that you want to do is make sure that you are tracking and optimizing your metrics and analytics. This part is often overlooked by new affiliate marketers, but it really is the key to your success. If you know how many people are clicking but not buying, knowing your numbers will help you identify the bottlenecks in your business. For example, if you are getting a bunch of people viewing your content but not clicking on your affiliate link, that might mean that the content isn't resonating with a target audience. If you're getting a bunch of clicks but not buys, there's a disconnect somewhere in that transaction. And if people aren't opening up your emails, that means you need to rewrite your headlines and subject lines to improve engagement. I recommend that you would set 10 or 15 minutes every Monday to track your analytics and optimize so that you can increase conversions and truly attain passive income with affiliate marketing. Now that you've got the blueprint, if you want additional assistance in earning passive income with affiliate marketing, I've actually wrote the book on it. This book is called Platform Proof Profits and will teach you step by step how to monetize your new YouTube channel in just 7 days. The great thing about this book, it's a physical book. You'll get the exact steps required, including the best types of content to create, how to find different affiliate programs, and more, so that you can launch a successful affiliate marketing business that earns passive income on YouTube. If you want to learn more about Platform Proof Profits and everything that's included, click the first link in the description or go to platformproofprofits.com. Now that you know how to earn passive income with affiliate marketing, watch this video next if you want to learn how to monetize your YouTube channel in just 2 days.